Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your PayPal account so that you can use it to fund groceries on the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Wallet. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on Add New Payment Method. So towards the bottom, you're going to see other payment methods where if you click onto PayPal, what's actually going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log into your PayPal account so that you can connect your PayPal account with the Walmart app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about connecting your PayPal account to the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.